Did I drop a glove? Oh. Am I recording? Yeah. Alright guys. Just got my haircut done. And then I went to get coffee afterwards. And now I'm just gonna head on home. I don't know. I don't really know where I'm gonna go. Yeah, it was a cool day. My buddy works at the barbershop, so he gave me a cool discount. And yeah, pretty much it. Went to Starbucks right here. Got an iced caramel macchiato. God damn, it's a lot of fucking cars. Sorry. Damn. I got iced caramel macchiato, and then I went to Trader Joe's to look for like a Gatorade or something, but they didn't have anything. I don't really know where I'm going. It's a nice day for a ride. I like it. She's not paying attention. I really want to get a new exhaust for this bike. I have a 2006 Kawasaki ZX6R, so it's a 636. But let me know if you guys have any exhaust recommendations. I'm looking for something that sounds like deep, like a deep sound and loud. I mean, obviously street legal, maybe. I don't want to get pulled over for having a loud exhaust, but you know, something that sounds deep and loud. So if you have any recommendations, drop them in the comments below. That'd be awesome, and I'll check them out. Yeah, I think I turn left here. Or do I go straight? I'm gonna go straight, yeah. Am I in third gear? I think I am. I really need a gear indicator. That'd be awesome. I don't need it, but it'd be great to have. I can't go in there anymore. Yeah. I'm gonna check out that park, but nah, never mind. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna check out that park because it's my day off. Why not? Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Can I go this way? Am I in the wrong lane? Oh shit, do I have to pay? Wait a minute. No? No? Okay. Oh shit, I'm thinking in second gear. That's a nice Mustang. I love those styles. Yeah, in a second. That sounds ugly at first. Oh, okay. Where do I want to go? Ooh, this is a nice spot right here. Hell yeah. Got my signals still on. Cool. Get my keys out. It's a Mountain View parking lot. Damn, dude, look at that parking lot. Shit, do I want to get close? I don't want to get attacked by geeses. Fuck it. I hear bikers over there. You guys are like, who the fuck is this guy? Can I zoom in? No, I can't. Let's go over here. Oh, put the camera right here. See if I could prop it up. It's a good place to just... Fuck! Drop the camera! Fuck! Oh no. Oh, it cracked. Shit. The ND filter cracked. Well, glad it was just the ND filter. Yeah, there's a police right behind me. Today was a pretty chill day, just chill ride. Yeah, there's a Fresno Sheriff right behind me.